Hello, my savvy second graders. Welcome to today's math lesson. We are on Module 1 or Mission 1, Lesson 7. We are almost done because guess what? There are only 8 in this module. So we're almost there. So hang with me here. Let's get started. I'm going to move me out of the way. Oh, I didn't want to do that. There we go. So here I have a picture. I have 10. You can tell because I have a group of 5 and a group of 5 equals 10. And I need to take that picture, that whole number, and I need to subtract 9. Well, we already know from our fast facts that 10 minus 9 is 1. But to do that in a picture, we're just going to cross off 9 of them. We have 1 left over. All right, let's show you another one. What would be my number sentence for this problem? If you said 11 minus 9, you're right. We have our 10, one more, we crossed out our 9. But we're going to prove that. We're going to start getting away from pictures little by little, and we're going to prove them in other ways. And the strategies that we're working on right now are so that we can do mental math. So we can do math in our head. Makes it a lot easier. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break apart this 11 where I can pull out a 10 so I can end up with the same problem, 10 minus 9. So I'm going to pull out my 10. I have 1 left over because we know 1 and 10 equals 11. Now I can do my 10 minus 9 equals 1, just like we had over here. But I have this 1 here that I can't forget about. So we're going to add this 1 and this 1 back together. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means that 11 minus 9 is 2. And you can check that, even use your fingers. I like to grab and count back up. I'm going to grab the 9, 10, 11, and I have 2 fingers as I count to that. That's another way you can check it. All right, let me show you another one. What is my number sentence for this one? Shout it out. Yes, if you said 12 minus 9, you are correct. So I'm going to break my 12 apart into a 10 and a 2. Now, I always want to write this 10 where it's going to go. So I'm not putting 10 and 2 because I want to show that that 10, I'm doing 10 minus the 9 right there. So I can do 10 minus 9 is 1. Oh, there, I'm showing you where I got that 10 minus 9, just like over here. But now I need to take that 1 and from the difference. That's what we call an answer to a subtraction problem, is the difference. We're going to take the difference from 10 minus 9 and add it back into the 2 here. So now I have 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. You can check it. 9, 10, 11, 12. We count up to what the big whole number was, and that shows us. Let's do a few together. I have 12 minus 8. How am I going to break apart that 12? Shout it out. Yes, we have to pull out that 10 first. We're going to write it over here so that we have 10 minus 8. And then I have 2 left over because 2 and 10 is our 12. All right, what do I do next? What is my next step? Shout it out. Oh, I didn't hear you. Shout it out again. Good. 10 minus 8. And we know that 8's partner to 10 is 2. Or if you're not sure, you can go 8, 9, 10 as you're still memorizing those. What is my next step? Yes, we need to add this 2 back with this 2. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. That is the difference. We're going to box our box our answer. That way, your teacher, me, can find your answers on your worksheet really, really quickly. All right, let's do another one. All right, I want you to do this one all on your own. Pause the video, work it out on your whiteboard, come back and see if you got it right. All right, welcome back. All right, what's the first thing we're going to do? Shout it out. Break apart. Good. And we need to break this 11 into a what? What's the first number? Show me with your fingers. 10. We want that 10 so that later on we can do the 10 minus 5. That's a lot easier to do in our head than 11 minus 5. But how much is left over? Yes, 1. Now I can do 10 minus 5. What's 10 minus 5? Show me with your fingers. 5. Good. And now I need to do what? Yes, don't forget that 1. So I'm going to take my 1 plus 5 equals 6. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Box your answer so that I can find it. Great job. All right, let's do this one together again. 10 minus 3, I'm going to break it apart into a what? And I want you to write this on your whiteboard as we do it together. All right? Okay. All right, so the first thing we're going to pull out is that 10. Good. How many do I have left over? Write it on your whiteboard. Yes, 3. Now I can do 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is, well, 6 partners to 10 is 4. But if I don't know that already, I can go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I have 4. All right, what's my next step? Yes, we have to add it back. We have to do something with that 3 right there. We've already used the 10. We've already used the 6. We've already broken apart the 13. So we have a 3 and a 4 there. We're going to add those together. 4 plus 3. What's 4 plus 3? Shout it out. Yes, it is 7. So 13 minus 6 equals 7. We are going to box our answer. Great job. All right, do this one all on your own. Pause the video. Come back and see if you're right. Welcome back. All right, let's do it. Let's see if you got it right. We have our 11. We broke it apart into a 7 and a 1. Sorry, a 10 and a 1, so that we could do 10 minus 7. 7's partner to 10 is 3, so 10 minus 7 is 3. Then we add the 3 and the 1 together to get 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 11 minus 7 equals 4. Box your answer. Did you get it right? Nice job. Give me a high five. Woohoo! You're doing great. Let's see. Do I have another one? That is the last one. So today for your assignment, you are in your math book. My math book is falling apart. And you are going to be doing pages 9 and 10 out of your math book. And you can do it in your math book so you can show all your work, or you can do it as a student annotation in Canvas. We will see you tomorrow for lesson number 8, our last one of this module. See you tomorrow. Bye.